Good morning, students. Welcome to your SST class. As we have completed chapter number 6, Food We Eat, today we will discuss the question answers. Okay, so let us see number A. Tick the correct option. Number 1. Clove refers to a or an. Clove is what? A spice. Okay. Number 2. The state where appams are eaten is Kerala. Okay. A green leafy vegetable eaten in Kashmir is hak. A sweet dish prepared on Eid is Sivai. Okay. Now let us move on to B. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. In villages, many people use dash as fuel to cook food. Cow dung cakes. Okay. Number 2. Different food items represent the lifestyle and culture of people in India. Okay. Different food habits represent the lifestyle and culture of people in India. Dash is the staple food of people in Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Wheat. Wheat is the staple food of people in Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Number 4. Dash is celebrated with gujia, kanji, thandai and different types of chaats and sweets. Holi is celebrated with gujia, kanji, thandai and different types of chaats and sweets. Okay. So, let us move on to next page. Let us see number C. Name the following. 2 breads made from wheat flour. Which are the 2 breads? Chapatis and naan. Chapatis and naan. Number 2. A famous dessert of Kerala. Famous dessert of Kerala is puttu. Okay. Number 3. 2 traditional dishes of Rajasthan. Dal bati and churma. Okay. Dal bati, dal BAAATI. Okay. Dal bati and churma. Number 4. 2 sweets famous in East India. Sandesh and Rasagullas. Okay. Sandesh and Rasagullas. Number 5. A sweet dish prepared on Ganesh Chaturthi, modaks. Sweet dish prepared on Ganesh Chaturthi is modaks. Okay. Now let us move on to number D. Short answer questions. Number 1. What is hak? Let us move on to page number 42. Saag, a green gravy, is prepared with a green leafy vegetable known as hak. Okay. This is the answer of D number 1. Number 2. Where and why is Mughlai food popular in India? Where Mughlai food is popular? North India. The answer to where is North India. In North India, Mughlai food is popular in India because why is also given. So, Mughlai food is popular in India because Mughlai kings were fond of delicious foods. Because Mughal kings were fond of delicious foods. Why do people in West India eat a lot of achar? Let us move on to page number 42 again. People of West India eat a lot of achars because fresh vegetables are not available. Okay, fresh vegetables are not available due to the dry climate. Next, In which Indian states is fish consumed most? In which Indian states is fish consumed most? Let us move on to page number 43. So, fish is consumed most in the states of Maharashtra, Goa, West Bengal, Assam, Odisha and Mumbai. Okay, or Mumbai. This is the answer. So name any three popular dishes of South India. Three popular dishes of South India is idlis, dosas and badas. English, idlis, dosas and badas. So this answer number 4, what you will write? The Indian states in which fish is consumed the most are Mumbai, Goa, West Bengal, Assam and Odisha you will write. Okay. Mumbai, Goa, West Bengal, Assam and Odisha. These 5 names you will write. So now let us move on to number E, long answer questions. Why do food habits of people differ in different parts of India? So let us move on to page number 41. This one you will write due to, these you will not write. Okay, due to the differences in climate and landforms, different types of crops are grown at different places by the farmers. Thus, people living in different parts of India have different food habits. Okay, due to the, you will not write these. Okay, from due to habits is your answer, E number 1. Let us see next. What makes Indian food tasty? Number 2. We will again move on to page number 41. And here spices such as cloves, cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, pepper, turmeric, herbs, etc. are used to make Indian dishes tasty. This is the answer, E number 2. Now let us see what is there in E number 3. Which foods do the North Indians commonly eat and why? The North Indians commonly eat breads made from flours of wheat because it is their staple food. Okay. The North Indians commonly eat breads made from flours of wheat because it is their staple food. Number 4, write a short note on the food eaten by people of any 2 South Indian states. So, you will write, you will take out page number 43 and you have to write about 2 states. So, you will write from here. The food of Andhra Pradesh like Hyderabadi biryani has chilies and nuts. In Kerala, delicious dishes like lamb stew, a gravy-based dish, and appam are eaten. A dessert called puttu is made from rice and bamboo shoots. So you will write from the food to shoots. We will write about Andhra Pradesh and Kerala. These are the South Indian states. Okay. Next, what difference do you find in the food eaten by people of West India and the food eaten by the people of East India? So the difference we find in the food eaten by people of West India and the food eaten by the people of East India is the people of East India, they eat fish and rice. The people of East India eat fish and rice, and their favorite are milk based sweets. Or you can write they like to eat milk based sweets. Whereas the people of West India, they use a lot of achars because fresh vegetables are not available due to the dry climate. And the people living in Mumbai, they use a variety of fish, okay, to make various dishes. In Goa, mostly seafood is eaten. Okay. In Rajasthan and Gujarat, people use a lot of achars as fresh vegetables are not available due to the hot and dry climate. In Mumbai, a wide variety of fish is used to make various dishes. In Goa, mostly seafood is eaten. Okay. So, this is your answer. You will write down. And this is your homework. You have to identify the food items with the help of the picture and the hints given below. Hints are given. This famous dish of South India is made by fermenting rice and dal. You have to write down the names of this famous dish. Okay. Here hints are given. You will read these hints and then you will see the picture as well and you will write the names. This is your homework and you will write down all the question answers. Okay. So, and also learn the question answers. Okay. So, here we end our class. We have completed chapter number 6. Next, we will begin chapter number 7. So, till then, take care. Bye and thank you, children.